Well, look at this. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Here we have a pretty valuable fan, a Casablanca, yes that's right, Casablanca Delta 3. I'm pretty sure it's a Delta 3. So yeah, I got this thing pretty recently, in the past 2 weeks, at a Habitat Restore in a town near me. So yeah, I got it for a whopping 15 bucks, which was quite literally a steal for how much these things retail for, or did retail for. It's essentially in perfect condition, aside from maybe some dust when I got it. It's the Casablanca thing right there. The flywheel is not warped at all. Well, I mean, it's a flywheel, so it has some issues, like, I don't know. But also came with this fob, full chain fob. You might be wondering, why does it have 4 blades on it? Well, this thing has a 4-5 flywheel, and if you're wondering where the 5th blade is, it's somewhere back here. I'm not gonna take it out right now, but yeah. What was I gonna say? Oh, this thing also came with a light kit. I took it off because it was hanging about down to here, which was kind of annoying. Quite frankly, I did not like the light kit. It was about like a half the size of the fan itself, so here it is. It's also a Casablanca branded light kit. Here are the shades for it. These shades are very heavy. Oh, for fuck's sake. Yep. So yeah, another thing that's interesting about this fan is that it goes low, medium, high, which is a Casablanca thing, I heard. Let's start on low, which you only have to pull once. Moving on to the medium. The other thing I forgot to mention is that this thing blows a lot of air, as per usual with Casablanca fans. Definitely not a disappointment at all. Perhaps, I think, maybe this might be the most expensive fan in my collection. Technically in my collection. Yeah, well, yeah, technically, I'd say so. I think these things retail for about 600 bucks, if I'm not mistaken, with that light kit included. Yeah, and finally, high. This thing absolutely whips on high. It's even blowing a freaking flag over here, all the way over there. A little bit of a wobble in the flywheel, but yeah, it's a flywheel. I don't know what I expected. See if I can get the freaking camera in there again. Without being stupid as shit. Yeah, I really gotta fix this. Anyways, I think we should move on to spin down now. I think that'd be appropriate. So yeah, that'll probably do it for this video. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.